بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 6. Today we want to revise volume of rectangular prisms. We have extra practice. This is the homework of yesterday. Who can read exercise number 1, please? Who can read exercise number 1?
Mister, can I read it?
Okay, Moza.
The Scabra borrowed a book from the library that is shaped like rectangle prism with the essential. What is the volume of the book?
Thank you. طيب, as you see here, the figure here, rectangular prism. We have here length, and we have here width, and we have here the height. So when you want to find the volume, what I do here? What I do at the first step? Start from where?
You write the formula.
Write the formula. Who can tell me what is the formula?
V times height times width times length.
V equal length times width times height. Thank you. Time. Substitution now. Length equal 8 times width equal 5 times height equal 1.5. 1.5 mixed number. We can change it to the fraction. 1 times 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. So times 3 over 2. 8 times 5, 40. Then 40 times 3 will be 120 over 2. One hundred 20 divided by 2 will be 60. Inch squared. Is it correct here, squared? Or what is the right unit here?
Cubic.
Cubic. Great. So inch cubic. Great. Who has any question here? Okay. Who can read exercise number 2?
I'm not going to.
Okay, now.
Paris is building a base for a parapet made up of brick in his backyard. Each brick is shaped like a rectangular prism with the dimensions shown. What is the volume of each brick?
Thank you, Nagam. Great. طيب. As you see here, we have the length 18 centimeter, the width 9.5, and the height 11. So we want to find the volume. Start from the formula. V equal L times W times H. length will be 18 times width will be 9.5 times 11. طيب, who can help me find the product, please? Find the product and tell me what is your answer.
Mister, is the answer 1881?
Mister, I agree with Musa.
Repeat, Moza, your answer.
1881.
Great, thank you. Thank you, Moza. So the answer will be 1881. Who can tell me what is the unit here?
CM.
Cubic centimeter.
Centimeter cubic. Okay, great. Now, who can read exercise number 3, please?
I'm Nevin. Can I read it?
Okay, now.
Honey received a package in the mail that is shaped like a rectangular prism with the dimensions shown. What is the volume of the
Great, thank you. Right. So we want to find the volume. As you see here, we have this here the length here 10 and 1 over 2 inch, and this is the width here 6 and 1 over 2 inch, and here we have the height 8 inch. So start from the formula. V equal length times width times height. So the length will be 10 and 1 over 2. This is mixed number. Change it to the fraction. 10 times 2, 20, plus 1, 21 over 2 times the width 6 and 1 over 2. 6 times 2, 12, plus 1, 13 over 2 times the height will be 8. Okay, who can help me to solve the product?
Mister, I'm Alia.
Yes, Alia.
Mister, is the answer 546 inches?
Great. 546 inch cubic. Okay, thank you. Who can read exercise number 4, please? Alia, can you read it?
Yes, sure, Mr. Renata works in an office building that is shaped like a rectangular prism with the diamonds showing. What is the volume of the building?
Thank you. As you see in this building, we have here the width 15 and the length 17 and 1 over 2. And here we have the height. So we want to find the volume. Start from the formula. V equal length times W times height. Then substitution. L equals 17 and 1 over 2. 17 times 2, 34, plus 1, 35, over 2, times 15, times 22. Now, who can help me to find the product, please?
The answer at 5,775.
Repeat, please.
5,775.
Excellent, thank you. 5,775. And what is the unit here?
Yard.
Lord.
Yard cubic, thank you. Who can read exercise number 5?
Mr. Amaya, can I read it?
Okay, Alia.
Summer is chasing a fish tank that is shaped like a rectangular prism. What is the volume of the tank?
Thank you. طيب. As you see, this is the length, width, and height. And we want to find the volume. V equal length times width times height. So the length will be 3 times the width 1 and 1 over 2. Change it to the fraction. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. 3 over 2 times the height will be 2. Who can help me here to find the product?
Mr. Is the answer 9 feet?
The answer will be 9. Great.
I agree with
What is the unit?
Feet.
Just feet?
9 feet.
Just feet or feet cubed? Feet cubic. Feet cubic. So the answer will be 9 feet cubic. Thank you. طيب, who can read exercise number 6?
can I read it please?
Okay, Naga.
Lola has cereal that comes in a box shaped like a rectangular prism with the dimensions shown. What is the volume of this cereal?
Okay, thank you, Naga. So start from the formula V equal length times width times height. So the length, as you see here, 12 times the width, 1.5. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 over 2 times 13.5. 13 times 2, 26. 26 plus 1, 27 over 2. Who can help me to find the product?
Mr. Is the answer 243?
Great, 243. Thank you, Moda. 243. And what is the unit? Who can tell me what is the unit here?
In cubic inches.
Inch cubic. Great. Who can read exercise number 7?
Mr. Aymalia, can I read it?
Okay, Alia.
Then order a new refrigerator that is shaped like a rectangular prism with the diamonds shown. What is the volume of the refrigerator?
Thank you, Alia. So as you see here, this is the height, and here the length, and here the width. So start from the formula V equal length times width times height. 4.5. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9 over 2 times 3 times 2 here, 6 plus 1, 7 over 2 times 6. Okay, who can help me to find the product?
Mr. Is the answer 243?
I think you have problem. Repeat, please.
So is the answer 94?
Great. So the answer will be 94.5. 94.5. And what is the unit?
Cubic.
Great. Feet cubic. Thank you. Who can read exercise number 8, please? Shamsa, are you here?
It's here.
Can you read it, please?
Ella is using an eraser that is shaped like a rectangular diamond shown. What's the volume of the eraser? Example 1.
Thank you, Shamsa. As you see here, we have the length 7.5, the width 4, and the height 3.5. So write the formula V equal length times W times height. The length will be 7.5 times the width will be 4 times the height will be 3.5. Who can help me to find the product?
And Mister, is the answer 26.25?
Repeat, please.
Is the answer 26.25?
26.25.
Oh, sorry. I could have made a mistake.
Mister, is the answer 105?
Great. The answer will be 105. And what is the unit?
Centimeter.
Centimeter cubic. Thank you.
Cube. Mister, before we continue, is it okay if I leave and rejoin?
Repeat, please.
Is it okay if I leave and rejoin?
The voice not clear. I cannot understand. Can you repeat again, please?
Is it okay if I leave and rejoin to fix my mic?
Okay, no problem. Yes. Who can read exercise number 9?
Mister, can I read it?
Okay, Moza.
The rectangular prism shown has a volume of 72 cubic meters. What is the width of the prism?
Thank you. Okay. Now we know the volume. We know the length. We know the height. The missing value, the width. So start from the formula V volume equal length times width times height. Substitution now, the volume will be 72 equal, the length will be 4 times the width here, the missing value, represent variable W, times the height will be 4.5. Now we have equation. We want to solve this equation. The first step, we want to find the product. 4 times 4.5 will be 18. So we can write 72 equal 18 W. Then take the coefficient and divide the two sides by the coefficient. Divide here by 18 and divide here by 18. 18 divided by 18 will be 1 W, means W equal 72 divided by 18 will be 4. So the width will be 4. Who can tell me what is the unit here?
Meters?
Meter, just meter. Because the W
No.
here, one dimension. One dimension. Okay. Who can read exercise number 10?
I'm not sorry.
Okay, now.
The rectangular prism shown has a volume of 117 cubic feet. What is the length of the prism?
Thank you, Nagam. As you see here, we have the volume, the length missing value, we have the width, and we have the height. So start from the formula V equal length times W times height. So the volume will be 117 equal length times W2 times the height will be 6.5. Now as you see here we have equation. The first step, find the product. 2 times 6.5 will be 13 times W, 13W. And here in the first side we have 117. Take the coefficient 13, divide the two sides by the coefficient. Thirteen divided by 13 remains here the length L, and 117 divided by 13, the answer will be 9. The answer will be 9. Who can tell me what is the unit here? Great. So the unit will be feet. Who can read exercise number 11?
Sir, can I read it?
Okay, Mota.
The rectangular prism show has a value of 19 cube meters. What is the height of the prism?
Thank you. So as you see, we have the volume, we have length, we have the width, and the height here, the missing value. So start from the formula V equal length times W times height. Now we know the volume 90 and the length will be 12 times the width will be 2.5 and the missing value here will be h. So the first step, find the product 12 times 2.5. The answer will be 30 h. To solve this equation, take the coefficient and divide the two sides by 30. Divide here by 30 and divide here by 30. 30h divided by 30 will be h, and here 90 divided by 30 will be 3. Can tell me what is the unit here?
Meters.
Thank you, meter. Who carried exercise number 12?
النغم كان
Okay, now start.
the rectangular prism has a volume of 225 cubic feet. What is the width of the prism?
Thank you, Noah. So we have the volume 225. We have here the length 7.5 and the width missing value, and here we have the height. So start from the formula. V equal length times W times height. We know the volume 225 equal the length 7.5, W missing value times the height will be 2. So the first step, find the product. 7.5 times 2 will be 15 W, and the first side here 225. Take the coefficient, divide the two sides by the coefficient, divide here by 15 and divide here by 15. 15 divided by 15, 1 W means W equal, and 225 divided by 15 will be 15. Who can tell me what is the unit here?
Feet.
Great. Okay, who can read exercise number 13?
Miss, can I read it?
Okay, Moza.
The rectangular prism shows has a volume of 408 cubes.
So we know, thank you, Moza. We know the volume 408, and we want to find the width. As you see here, we have the length, we have the height, and the missing value here, the W. So start from the formula V equal length times W times height. We know the value 408 equal, the length will be 8 W and the height 8.5. Change it to the fraction. 8 times 2, 16 plus 1, 17 over 2. 17 over 2. So the first step, find the product here. 8 times 17 over 2 will be 68 W. Then divide the two sides by 68. Divided by 68 will be 1. 1 W means W equal 408 divided by 68. The answer will be 6. Who can tell me what is the unit here? Great, centimeter. Number 14, the same idea. And number 15, the same idea. And also number 16, the same idea. Okay, let us to take attendance now. اليازية
Yes, Mr.
موجودة. روضة ناصر.
نعم.
روضة سلطان. absent روضة سلطان. Okay, شمسة.
Yes, Mr.
شيخة.
نعم.
عليا.
Yes, Mr.
لطيفة.
نعم Mr.
مريم. موزة.
Yes, Mr.
نغم.
Yes.
نورة.
Yes, Mr.
هاجر.
نعم Mr.
Okay, this is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.